Hello viewers, how are you? I am Arko Prabhu and you are watching Next Tech. So today in this video we will discuss about One UI 3.0 update on Samsung devices which has Android 11 and lots of features. So without further delay, let's get started. Subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality tech videos and press the bell icon and press all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So at first, One UI 3.0 brings the Android 11 update with security patch of January 2021. So from now, these phones will have all the Android 11 features. Here you can see the notification shade was flat and material type on older One UI, but on One UI 3.0 it has a blurred look and now it's a full notification shade. The app drawer background has also changed. It has moved from transparent to blur look, which looks cool. Here you can see the new settings menu. All the icons are redesigned and the new menu is more compact than the older one. On earlier One UI versions, the volume control was on top, but now it has moved to the right side, so now it's a more reachable position than the old one. The switch app screen background also turned from transparent to a blurry look. And here you can see the lock screen clock and icon styles are changed. So on One UI 3.0 you can directly add a widget from the home screen just by long pressing an icon and selecting widget. So that is kind of useful. There is a new feature from now. You can just double tap on screen and your phone will go to sleep. Another new handy feature, by pressing on the lock screen clock, you can access multiple lock screen widgets, including today's schedule and digital well-being. Samsung's always on display got a new feature with this update. Now you can add images or GIFs on always on display. Another new cool handy feature, you can change the call layout and choose between two, and also there is a call background option where you can set an image or video on call background. So let me set one video and let's see how it looks. So it looks very nice. On camera app there is a minor update. The exposure lock has been changed. Now you just have to tap on the lock icon to lock the exposure. On gallery's photo editor there is a handy new feature called revert. On earlier versions it was reset, and once you save the edited image then there was no way back to the original one. So the revert option does the same. It goes back to the original image from the edited one. So after update you can choose between brief and detailed notification, which was not available on earlier versions. Let me show you how they both looks in real life, the brief and detailed notification. Under notification section there is a new option called notification history, which is turned off by default. So if you turn on this, it will save all the notification. In case you swipe any notification by mistake, you will get them on this section. Floating bubble notification is another new feature. With this you can turn any messaging app into Messenger. Any messaging app can have the traditional Facebook Messenger bubble from now on, so it is very handy. On the do not disturb section there is a new section called apps, so you can set DND on individual app from now on. So the search is also redesigned on One UI 3.0. It has the same blurry look and looks kind of clean, so that's also good. Another useful feature is Privacy Permission Manager. Now it gives access to the user to set that which app should use which function like camera, location or microphone. It's very good and very useful regarding the safety. Last but not the least, a minor update. Recycle bin is added on message app, so it will store your deleted messages for 30 days. So that's it for today guys, and this was a different kind of video. It was neither unboxing nor review. It was kind of an informative video about the One UI 3.0 update. So do let me know in the comment section how was the video and how was the features. And hope you like the video, then press the like button and share this video as much as possible.
because I need your support as a tech creator, and subscribe our channel Next Tech for more quality and interesting tech videos, and press the bell icon to get notified every time whenever I upload this amazing and awesome contents. So thank you for watching the whole video. Stay tuned. We will meet soon. Bye bye.